Welcome to Product Critique. If you're searching for the best sewing kit for kids who are just getting started, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the KRAFUN My First Sewing Bag Kit, a delightful, beginner-friendly craft kit that's not just safe but packed with creative fun for children ages 5 and up. Let's begin with what makes this kit so appealing. Right out of the box, you're greeted with a beautifully designed reusable case that holds everything neatly. It's not just a box, it becomes part of the excitement, and it's perfect for gifting too. Inside, you'll find all the materials pre-cut, with punched holes to guide young hands, and most importantly, a set of plastic needle tools that keep safety in mind. That means no sharp metal points, no glue mess, just clean, kid-safe crafting. 6 sewing projects, each with its own charm and utility. Think colorful handbags, pouches, card holders, a sleeve, and a string bag, all with animal themes that appeal to young imaginations. These aren't just flat felt cutouts either. Each project results in a real item that kids can use or gift. It's a fantastic way for them to feel a sense of accomplishment and utility in their craft. The instructions are visual and step-by-step, making them perfect even if your child hasn't sewn a stitch before. This is where KRAFUN shines. They've taken a skill that could be intimidating and made it fun and totally approachable. Your child learns to thread, stitch, and assemble all by following simple pictures. It's like a puzzle, but with colorful thread and adorable felt. This kit encourages more than just crafting. It builds fine motor skills, improves attention to detail, and best of all, nurtures patience and creativity. In a world full of screens, having a hands-on activity like this is a welcome change. And because the tools are safe, parents don't have to hover. Kids can build confidence by working independently or with a friend. What also stands out is that no glue is needed. That means no sticky fingers, no ruined tables, and nothing that ends up crumbling after a week. The pre-cut felt holds its shape, and with the included plastic needles and thread, kids can follow each hole and create tight, neat seams. The whole process is frustration-free, which is essential for beginners. If you're planning a playdate, a weekend activity, or even looking for a thoughtful birthday gift, this sewing kit ticks all the boxes. It's educational, creative, safe, and genuinely fun. Kids get to learn the basics of stitching while making something real, something they can touch, use, and show off. It's a gateway into arts and crafts, a confidence builder, and a way to keep kids engaged and proud of what they make. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more hands-on product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments if there's another kids craft kit you want us to test out. See you in the next one.